Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step through setting up and integrating Mandrill with Mailchimp. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to connect these two powerful tools, and you'll be set up to send transactional emails seamlessly from your Mailchimp account. Whether you're just getting started or you're tightening up your automation workflows, this process will help you get your communications on point. Let's dive straight in. First things first, go ahead and open up Mailchimp and log into your account. Give yourself a second to get settled. If you haven't used Mailchimp in a while, don't worry. The interface is user-friendly, and I'll walk you through exactly what to look for. Once you're in, you'll be looking at the dashboard, which is basically your mission control for email marketing. Now, let's get ready to connect with Mandrill. From your dashboard, look for the menu that says Integrations, usually. It's along the side panel or in the main drop-down menu, depending on how Mailchimp has updated their navigation. Click on Integration. This is the area where you can connect Mailchimp to all sorts of other services, but today we're focusing on Mandrill. If you've never explored integrations before, think of this like adding new gears to a machine. You're extending Mailchimp's capabilities to do even more for your business. In the integration search bar, type in Mandrill. Take your time with this part. Sometimes there are a lot of options, and you want to make sure you're selecting Mandrill specifically. Mandrill is Mailchimp's transactional email platform, and it's incredibly handy for things like sending order confirmations, password resets, and other emails triggered by specific actions. Having it connected to your Mailchimp means all your email communications can work together under one roof. Once you type Mandrill into the search field, you'll see it pop right up. Select it, and you'll notice something very convenient. Mandrill is already connected to Mailchimp by default for eligible accounts. You don't have to go through any long technical setup because Mailchimp and Mandrill are built to work hand in hand. It's almost like plugging a new device into an outlet. The connection is seamless and you're ready to roll. Pause for a second and scroll down to the bottom of the integration page. At the bottom, you'll see confirmation that Mandrill is already connected. This is usually shown with a little visual indicator, maybe a green checkmark or a message saying connected, and just being able to see that status right there is super reassuring. If you don't see it, don't panic. Double-check that you have the right type of Mailchimp account, as Mandrill is available for Mailchimp's paid plans and works perfectly with their infrastructure, and that's really all it takes. You've verified that Mandrill is integrated with Mailchimp, and you're ready to start sending those all-important transactional emails. What I love about this process is how streamlined it is. You can focus more on your messaging and less on wrestling with technical details. If this walkthrough helped you out, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want a deeper dive into using Mandrill for transactional emails. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another handy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.